let's talk a little bit about the Notion Business OS. So my goal with this business operating system is to ultimately give you and your company a really easy overview of everything that's going on. So what does that mean? First, I think it's project status. So where are your different projects? Are they in proposal? We have something we call needs and options. So it's more of like a deposit to kind of figure some stuff out, to figure out scope, schematic design, design development, construction, permits, under construction, and it's really just an overview of what's going on with everything. Next part is tasks. So as you have more people in your company, you can certainly see all of the different tasks that are assigned to different people. And again, just a nice little overview. We have our resources, and so this is a quick way to get to company resources and guides, checklists, office policies. We actually have two offices, so we have one per office, which has Wi-Fi password, printer name, kind of standard stuff like that. And then notes, this is meeting notes, team meetings, client meetings, anything like that. So that's the company overview. And beyond that, really this whole operating system, I guess, is focused in a few different sections. And so we have our dashboard. So we have a personal team dashboard. So personal. And then up here we have actually a link. We can click on team. Team is my favorite dashboard. So it's a place for me to look and see what all my different team members are doing. We can also click back to the home page here. We have people, projects, meeting notes, company manual, and then the company manual, as I mentioned, is all those checklist guides and all that information. And then again, we can click our home button, go back to the home here, and then we have calendar, which is a newer thing, and I believe, let's actually go to company backend here. We have a new one called issue tracker, which is in progress, so that will appear on the main page as well. So that's a little bit of an overview of all the different features and what's going on.